welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Motorola device I picked up. I already have one, but mine needs an LCD. So hopefully I can make this one either work, take parts of mine, or the other way around. And this one has the box, so I prefer to make this one work. That way it's matching numbers. This might be a different one, actually. Oh, this is a different phone. I was totally thinking of a different one. It's a big box for this. iPhone 3GS in white, 16 gig. I was thinking of a totally different phone, guys. So I guess you'll have a little sneak peek right there of the other one I'm looking at. It does have a black SIM card tray in it. It's probably dead, if I'm guessing. Looks to be in decent shape. Now this is my first white 3GS. So all my other ones are black. But I'm pretty sure it's dead. I wish I had a charger. But yeah, it was a quick unboxing and totally got it mixed up. I was expecting by the size of the box that was going to be the other phone. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and stay tuned for the next one.